Lecture number 18. Okay, now for the last lecture we have started with the reactions of aldehydes and ketones, where we started with the addition reactions of aldehydes ketones. हमने रिएक्शन देखा था HCN, NaHSO3, ammonia derivatives, Grignard reagent. They were all the addition reactions. The next type of reactions we proceed with, it's a reduction reaction. अभी reduction में भी it is divided to two parts. Actually, the first part already we have done in the lesson alcohol, if you remember. Alcohol का method of preparation, that was, if you remember, aldehydes, ketone, acid ester. सब डिटेल में हमने किया था. जस्ट रिफर टू द सेम लेसन. अगर aldehydes है, it is converted to partial reduction से it is converted to a primary alcohol. If it is a ketone, it is converted to a secondary alcohol, that is a partial reduction. Why is it called as partial reduction? It is called as partial reduction because प्रोडक्ट में वन ऑक्सीजन इज लेफ्ट, राइट. कंप्लीट रिडक्शन मतलब पूरा हाइड्रोजन ऐड किया, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ कंप्लीट रिडक्शन. So I can say it is a partial reduction. I think you have understood this. Alcohol lesson में है. Now, the next is it can be completely reduced by either of the two reactions I've written over here. The first is a Clemmensen reduction. The next is a Wolff-Kishner reduction. Now see what is a conversion. Conversion is main important over here. Conversion is CO converted to CH2. CH2 मतलब it's the formation of a alkane. It's a alkane formation. Alkane formation, as I've written, it can be converted by two different name reactions. Clemmensen. Now when I say Clemmensen, right hand side में देखो, Clemmensen का reagent is what? It is zinc, amalgam and concentrated HCl. What is the Clemmensen reduction? What is the reagent used for Clemmensen reduction? It is zinc, amalgam and concentrated HCl. And how many nascent hydrogen atoms are required here? 4. So what is the product? The aldehyde is converted to the corresponding alkane. Even if I have purposely written the reaction with a ketone because I have written the general reaction with an aldehyde. So ketone का example देखो, if it is propanone converted to propane, O obviously will be removed in the form of water, and hence we get 4 nascent hydrogen atoms over here. So this is the way you can balance the reaction. Byproducts लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है. So it is a reaction. Like suppose if it is ethanol converted to ethane, propanone converted to propane, जो भी aldehyde लो, जो भी ketone लो, that will be converted to the corresponding alkane. That is Clemmensen reduction. Okay, now we proceed with the next, that is called as Wolff-Kishner reduction. अभी Wolff-Kishner मतलब if they give you KOH ethylene glycol, that should strike you. reagent से आपको strike होना चाहिए कि it is nothing but Wolff-Kishner reduction. Okay, so it is a carbonyl group which is converted to hydrazone reacting with hydrazine. What is hydrazine? Hydrazine we have seen in which lesson? We have seen hydrazine. Ammonia derivatives के ही reactions में one of the reagent was hydrazine. And then if you remember, I told you it is a carbonyl group converted to hydrazone. So you get the corresponding hydrazone. अभी hydrazone when it is reacted with KOH and ethylene glycol, so that is the reagent which is used for Wolff-Kishner. Then it would be converted to the corresponding alkane and nitrogen is evolved. So it is N2 is removed from there. I have purposely taken an example of ethanol over here. So, like previously मैंने कीटोन का एग्जांपल लिया, इसलिए यहाँ पे मैंने aldehyde का एग्जांपल लिया. Aldehyde converted to what? It is ethanol converted to ethanol hydrazone. First of all, hydrazine से react करके we converted to the corresponding hydrazone. Hydrazone when reacted with KOH and ethylene glycol, it will be converted to ethane and N2 is removed. So that is all about Wolff-Kishner reduction. One more type of reduction, especially by acetone, you have the next, that is again included in the reduction reaction of this. Okay.